I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by BITREFILL.com, the easiest way to get living on a Bitcoin standard. Head to their website and pick up gift cards for great places like Amazon, Apple, DoorDash, prepaid MasterCards, and plenty more. You can check them out at the links down below. I've been kind of ranting about this the past couple of days because I just got through learning about and trying out this new thing. So this is my Start9 Bitcoin node at home. So currently running, and I've got this cool little app that's called Alby Hub. So what is this thing? Effectively, it's a way of setting up, maintaining, connecting, and utilizing your Lightning node, not just at home, but remotely, and connecting it to external apps. And just it makes your Lightning node easy to set up and also much more useful than I've found it in the past. Alby Hub, it just kind of, it handholds you through it. It basically gives you a short list of, here's the things that you should do when you set this up. And it didn't take very long. It allows you to, so you have a node and it allows you to create channels. So you can go and open a channel and you just say, okay, well, how large of a channel do I want? And if you want, you can even choose like what node will open a channel with you if you want to get advanced like that, but you don't have to. But you just say, okay, I want a 1,000,000 sat channel, and you queue it up and they'll say, okay, well, this is, you know, how much it'll cost you to get a Lightning channel for somebody to open it for you. And then you pretty much just pay that invoice and then it just works. And then you can just start receiving Lightning payments and you don't have to worry about it. Alternatively, you could go and yes, you can add on-chain Bitcoin and then say, top up my spending balance, and that will open a Lightning channel for you. But either way, it walks you through all those steps. And once you've done that, then you've basically got this Lightning wallet, so you can, you know, do the regular send and receive kind of functionality here in your wallet, and that's all well and good. But it starts to get cool when you start to look at these connections that you can have, and you can like connect different apps and websites and everything. And they've got this app store where you can link up your Alby Hub with all of these different apps that utilize Lightning for one reason or another. And so the first thing that I did was I got the browser extension, so I can, you know, just do send and receive, simple send and receive wallets, and it's nice and easy to use. It also gives me a Lightning address, btcsessions@getalby.com, that directs right back to my own node on my shelf behind me from anywhere, and it's super seamless. And on top of that, I've begun connecting other apps. And so I'm actually going to pull up as an example. I'm going to show my phone here. So I actually connected a handful of things. Alby, you can do a progressive web app, which is just going in your browser and then you just save it to your home screen. And so this gives me my wallet. And so I can go anywhere and it's just connected to my own node at home. But they also have an app coming out called Alby Go, and this is kind of like an early version of it, but very simple: receive, send, and it shows your balance. And it's very easy to use. Beyond that, I've also linked Primal for Nostr. I also use Zaprite a lot for invoicing and everything because I do live on Bitcoin. It's just everything just plunks together so nicely and works so seamlessly together. And it's all self-hosted. It's all on my Start9 behind me. And I'm just, again, irrationally excited about how well it came together, and that it wasn't super hard this time.